Hi everyone, this is Satanas with LegalTrek. Welcome to our January updates. As you can see, I'm again in the list of invoices for a company, and I'm looking at those 3 invoices that have been sent as opposed to those 2 that have not been sent. And what's going to happen now is that I'm going to send actually both of them to the clients, Shuk and Mayer, remember that client name. I'm going to send them using the group send as opposed to sending them individually. It's just faster. I'm going to send them to myself for the purpose of this test. What you're going to notice is that, of course, yes, these 2 invoices are now going to get sent, and they are going to be saying sent together with the person who sent them and the actual sending date in here in the list, which is going to refresh after the send action is completed. In addition to this, which is an old feature, we already introduced it in November, we now are adding an activity for every invoice sent. So as you can see, now Shuk and Mayer, new subscription client, both have this sent denoted. But let's look at the clients. Let's have a look at the invoice for Shuk and Mayer, and let's remember that it's the 14th. This is the 14th of December. And now when we go into the client, and we go into the activity tab for this client, which I believe most of you are well familiar with, we are going to see the sending of the invoice. Note that for now this sending is going to be under the creation of the invoice. So the invoice that was created on the 12/14 was sent on the 12th, 15th once. This was probably a test, and the other invoice, because there can be 2 invoices, was sent on the 20th of January 2020. So this way you can keep a track of who and when sent the invoice, not only in the list of invoices, but also have it kept in the system as an activity. That's it for this feature. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy using it.